say some continents with symbol. Asia, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. 10 continents with symbols. Asia, North America, Africa, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. I tell about 7 continents with symbols. First, Asia, North America, Africa, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. Today I am going to tell 7 continents name with its order and with action. Number 1, Asia. Number 2, North America. Number 3, Africa. Number 4, South America. Number 5, Antarctica. Number 6, Europe. Number 7, Australia. You love the 7 continents?
I am going to tell the continents in their order. First, Asia. Second, North America. Third, Africa. Fourth, South America. Fifth, Antarctica. Sixth, Europe. Seventh, Australia.
Today I talk about continents. There are some continents in Earth. There are Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. I tell order by order. First one Asia, second one North America, third one Africa, fourth one South America, fifth one Europe, sixth one Antarctica, seventh one Australia.